If I am a biological creature, he would not have said the body is the field and you are the knower of the field. He would have said you are the body. Yeah. But he's saying the body is a field and you are the knower of the field. Why is it called a field? There are a lot of, the commentators and sub-commentators have a field day with making many more meanings. In one commentary on the Bhagavad Gita, Shankarananda Tika, you find 10 meanings of why this word field is used. So one meaning is, in a field you have crops, you sow the seeds and you get the crops. Similarly, the body is the field in which our karma phala, the results of our past actions are experienced. When? All the time. Oh really? What is the result of my past action? Look at your life. That's it. What's happening right now in our lives and what has been happening, it's all mediated through this body and of course the mind. And so it's the field. Now deeper. Sri Krishna has given us the key to Vedanta. The key here is knower of the field. You and the body are two different things. That's the first thing he's saying. Why? He uses the word etad yo veti, the one who knows. He uses it as a lever, as a way of prizing open this trap of the body, of separating us, showing us our freedom from the body. The body is there, and we are here in the body, embodied, but we are not the body. How so? The principle which he uses is, the knower and the known, the subject and the object must be different. The subject can never be the object. That which you know is an object of your knowledge. You are not that which you know. Now that's fairly simple when it comes to this bottle. I know the bottle, by which I mean I can see the bottle, I can touch the bottle, I can hold the bottle, manipulate it. It's an object. And I'll never say I am the bottle. So for anything in the world, even a car which you're using, even the glasses which you wear, so you know it's different from you. You are not that. It's an object. Anything that we know is an object and I am the subject. I am the knower and that thing is the known. The knower and the known have to be different entities. The subject and the object have to be different entities, even grammatically. In philosophy also. Otherwise there's what they call it, the problem of self-reference will happen. So a thing cannot operate on itself. Knife cannot cut itself. So if you are knowing something, what you know must be different from the knower. But when we come to the body, this thing becomes mysterious. I know the bottle, I am not the bottle, I am the knower of the bottle is the known object. Very clear, different. Even the cloth which I am wearing, I am the knower, the user of the cloth, and I am different from the cloth. I am not the cloth. But when I come to the body, I am certainly the knower of the body. After all, the body is objectified by all of my senses. I can see the body. I can touch the body. I can smell the body. I can taste the body. If my tummy is rumbling with hunger, I can hear the body. All of my senses operates on the body, makes it an object, makes it something known. Yo veti, the one who knows. And I am clearly the knower. I am the seer of the body. I touch the body. I can hear the body. So I am the knower. And therefore, by that definition, I cannot be the body. Here is the first big thing we learn, which we sort of instinctively, we feel, we speak, we behave as if we are the body. But here the first thing Krishna is teaching us is you are not the body. Yeah. Because, why? Why am I not the body? Because it's an object. Somebody asks a question, if you punch the bottle, it's okay. I'm not hurt. But if I punch the body, I feel hurt. If I burn the body, I feel pain. So how are you saying I am not the body? The answer is pretty simple. Shankaracharya actually answers this in one of his books, Upadesha Sahasri. The student asks, if the body is burned, I feel I am burned. So I am the body. How are you saying I am not the body? And Shankaracharya says, are you aware of the pain of the burning? Are you aware of the burning sensation? Of course, it's terrible pain. If you are aware of it, that's an object. You are the knower of the object. Therefore, you must be separate from the burning. Whatever is known, even if it's a pain, the pain is revealed by you, the consciousness. One person, I love this story. One person goes to a sadhu in the Himalayas and says, I am very unhappy. And the sadhu says to him, monk says to him, are you aware of your unhappiness? Do you feel unhappy? Of course, I feel unhappy. That's why I have come to you. In Hindi, आपको दुख का अनुभव है? Do you have an experience of your sorrow? Yes. In Hindi, तो हम दुखी हैं. I am sorrowful. I am in pain. I am miserable. The monk said, now you know the difference, what Krishna has said, he is using that. Monk said, if you know it, then it's an object. It must be different from you. It must be the field. You are the knower of the field. If you feel the sorrow, if you experience the sorrow, if you say, I am suffering from the sorrow, in that case, you are not sorrowful. You are the knower of the sorrow. You are the knower of the pain. You are the experiencer, the witness of the pain, the sorrow, the misery. You are not miserable. Just as being the experience of the bottle doesn't make you a bottle. The pain in the body is something known. Let's stay with this. This is itself a very interesting, very deep insight and a very freeing insight. You can immediately use it. This body is something that is known. And the characteristics of the body are also known. That it is, I am this man, age is so much, the skin color is this. All of these are known. If I am the knower of the body and I am not the body, then the properties of the body, do they belong to the body or to me? They belong to the body. The color of the body belongs to the body. The weight of the body belongs to the body. The weight of the body, suppose it is 150 pounds or 180 pounds. Now, I am the knower of this body. Am I 180 pounds? Is consciousness 180 pounds? Or is the body 180? You'll say, obviously the body is 180 pounds. All the characteristics of the body are in the body. This is an important principle. Whatever belongs to the object remains in the object, does not stick to the subject. So the weight of the body, the color of the body, the gender of the body, these are all in the body. I am the witness of that. Therefore, it's not my weight. It's a body's weight. It's not my color. It's not my age. It's not my gender. I am the awareness, the knower of the field. These are characteristics of the field.